This video is a part 2 from the previous video that we've done where we use the thermal camera to detect what's wrong with the Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. And it turns out that it's the power IC chip that's causing a short. We said in the previous video that we will be ordering the chip from China. We went ahead and ordered 10 ICs from China. They sent us the wrong IC. Now the customer can no longer wait for us to reorder the chip. So what we're going to do is take the IC off a good S6 Edge Plus board. I can fix this later when we order the parts again from China. Right now we're going to take the IC out from here, reball the IC, put it back on here, and hope that everything will work out the way it should. We only need to back up the data from the board and nothing else. I just realized the sound was off. Battery went dead on the microphone, and I do not think there was any sound at the beginning of the video. I had to stop the video to talk to a customer. When I came back, I realized that the microphone was not working. We lost a lot of audio. I still want to post this video. At least we have audio now. To recap, because since I do not know how much audio we have in the video, let me just recap what we did. This board, we had a previous video where we actually inspected the board under a thermal camera, and we came to a conclusion that the problem is the power IC chip on the S6 Edge Plus. So what we did is we ordered the IC from China. We waited 2 weeks or 3 weeks for the ICs to arrive, and when the IC arrived, it turned out to be the wrong product shipped. So we still do not have an IC. Customer is calling every day, and this is frustrating. What I did today is, since we cannot reorder the chip and wait another 2 weeks, what I did is I took off the power IC from a good S6 Edge Plus. I reballed the IC as you've seen in this video, and I put the IC back, and now we are at a point where we're going to test the board and see if all this work went for nothing or if we have a working phone. Now, this board came for data recovery. It was severely water damaged. Okay, so I just plugged in the charging flex cable. I plugged in the screen, and I'm not going to use the customer's battery because we do not know if it's damaged. I'm going to use one of our good S6 Edge Plus batteries. Hopefully everything works out well. This doesn't look good. Well, it powers on now. Okay, so good and bad news. The good news is the phone does turn on now. It wasn't turning on before. So we know that we fixed the power IC issue. But it looks like we have another issue with the phone. I do not know if this is a screen issue or if it's a display issue with the motherboard. Okay, it's 6:05. We close at 6. I'm not gonna work on this today. The first thing I want to do is try another screen later on. If that doesn't solve the problem, then it's possibly another issue with the board. And at this point, I have no idea what is causing this. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Check for $8.95. Who would send? What's that for? Okay, so it's a mail-in. It's a mail-in. Somebody filled out the form on our site. It's a mail-in form. Dell laptop, problem, damaged hinge, cracked screen, won't power on. Estimate, please call when item arrives and give me an estimate. The name, address. Oh, so this is for the $8.95 shipping back fee. Right, maybe we'll do that on video next time, or we'll see. So I hope you enjoyed this whole process of changing the power IC, doing the reballing, and I'll see you again in the next video.